This driver had been stuck for days, troubleshooting why his truck kept shutting off. Turned out the issue was a worn temperature sensor mount that needed to be cut off and replaced with a new one. When you're on the road, something small like that can completely stop everything. It's not just about fixing metal, it's about helping people keep moving and keep working and get back to their purpose. This is why these kind of jobs matter. It's more than a repair, it's getting someone back on their way.